Hey food lovers! Welcome back to Kraystar Flavor King, your ultimate destination for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sticky Japanese chicken wings that are out of this world. These wings are not just any wings, they are a perfect blend of crispy, tangy, and sweet flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. These wings are egged and fried in butter, then baked in a tangy, mouth-watering sauce. The combination of frying and baking ensures that the wings are crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Let's get right into it. This recipe is super easy and perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family dinner or a party with friends. First up, here's what you need. You'll need one large egg, lightly beaten. The egg helps the flour stick to the chicken wings, giving them a nice crispy coating. 1 cup of all-purpose flour for coating. The flour adds a layer of crunchiness to the wings. And 3 pounds of chicken wings. Make sure they are fresh and clean. For the sauce, grab 1 cup of white sugar. The sugar will caramelize and give the sauce its sticky texture. Half a cup of white vinegar. The vinegar adds a tangy kick to the sauce. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. The soy sauce adds a savory depth of flavor, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder, or more if you're feeling it. Garlic powder adds a subtle aromatic flavor that complements the other ingredients. Alright, let's get cooking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Preheating ensures that the wings cook evenly. Now, take that beaten egg and place it in a small bowl. This will be your dipping station. Put the flour in a shallow bowl. This makes it easier to coat the wings evenly. Cut the wings in half and dip each piece in the egg, then press it into the flour to coat. Make sure each wing is well coated for maximum crispiness. Next, melt 1 cup of butter in a large deep skillet over medium-high heat. The butter adds a rich flavor to the wings. Fry the coated wings in the hot butter until they're deep brown on both sides. This should take about 10 minutes per side. Once done, place them in a shallow roasting pan. Make sure they are arranged in a single layer for even baking. Now, for the magic sauce. This sauce is what makes these wings truly special. Mix together 1 cup of white sugar. The sugar will help the sauce thicken and stick to the wings. Half a cup of white vinegar. The vinegar balances out the sweetness of the sugar. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. The soy sauce adds a savory umami flavor, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder in a medium bowl until everything's combined. The garlic powder adds a nice depth of flavor. Pour this delicious mixture over the wings. Make sure each wing is well coated with the sauce. Pop the roasting pan in the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 45 minutes. Baking allows the sauce to caramelize and the wings to cook through. Make sure to baste the wings frequently with the sauce in the pan. This keeps them moist and flavorful. You'll know they're done when an instant red thermometer inserted near the bone reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This ensures that the wings are fully cooked and safe to eat. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked, sticky Japanese chicken wings that are sure to impress. Sticky Japanese chicken wings that will leave everyone begging for more. These wings are perfect for any occasion and are sure to be a hit. Serve them up and enjoy. Pair them with your favorite sides and watch them disappear in no time. If you love this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching Kraystar Flavor King. See you next time. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.